Welcome back to my channel. For returning subscribers, thank you very much for being a part of this channel, for the growth and the support. In this video today, we are going to be looking at 4 indigenous airline companies that are dominating the skies in Nigeria today. These companies are making us very proud and putting Nigerians on the map locally and internationally. Nigeria's aviation landscape is undergoing a bold transformation, driven by a new wave of indigenous airlines rewriting the story of Africa air travel. At the heart of this movement are 4 dynamic carriers: Airpace, United Nigeria Airlines, Enugu Air, and the recently unveiled Nest Av, all with a deep roots in the southeast, signaling a powerful shift in regional aviation leadership. Airpace, the giant with global ambition. Founded by entrepreneur Allen Onyema, Airpace is Nigeria's largest privately owned airline with a robust and modern fleet, including Boeing 77s and Embraer jets. The airline has redefined connectivity across West Africa and Nigeria and select international routes. Its bold expansion into destinations like Johannesburg, Dubai, and Mumbai makes it not just a Nigerian success story, but a Pan-African force in the skies. Airpace also prides itself on job creation and national unity, flying under the mantra of peace.
Crisis and other personal effects. Settle in. They say that life is an endless burst of colors. Likewise, the cabin immerses you in a serene ambience through a spectrum of colors. No middle seats. Symmetrical arrangements. Power source for your electronics throughout your journey. Flying economy is prestigious. Security is priority through surveillance that transmits real-time activities from cabin to cockpit for record keeping. Passenger capacity 124. Life vest tucked away in accessible pouches underneath the seat. Talk about safety and panache rolled in one. The E195E2 complements the impeccable service Airpace is known for. Peace and class, they go hand in hand.
This is Peacebird 7440 ILS 22.
Peacebird 7440, clear to land runway 22, wind 250 at 9 knots.
Peacebird 7440 is clear to land 22. Abuja ground, this is Peacebird 7440, taxiway Alpha.
Peacebird 7440, confirm aircraft type and point of departure.
Peacebird 7440 is an Embraer E2195 departed from Recife, Brazil.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented.
United Nigeria Airlines, precision meets elegance. United Nigeria Airlines, owned by Dr. Obiora Okonkwo, has risen quickly as a trusted carrier in Nigeria's domestic market. Launched in 2021, it is known for efficiency, customer service, and safe operations. Headquartered in Enugu, the airline primarily connects major Nigerian cities with a sleek fleet of Embraer ERJ-145 jets. United Nigeria Rapid's growth reflects the increasing demand for regional air travel and a clear appetite for reliability in the skies.
With the arrival of United Nigerian Flight 5N BWZ to Akanibiam International Airport, Enugu, for demo operations. The airport manager, Cecilia Oguama, and the head commercials, Vito Odu, were highly optimistic that the new airline will certainly boost the revenue of the Southeast and the country at large.
The United Nigerian Airlines received its air operation certificate on February 2021 with its 4 aircraft to operate scheduled flight within Nigeria. 3 years after, the airline has acquired 3 more aircraft to its fleet. Finally, the big day is here for the United Nigerian Airlines. This is the first time the airline will fly from Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja to Benin, and it took us 30 minutes. It was a smooth. After a series of engagement with the federal government, the state government, and of course the management of United Airlines in Nigeria. Receiving the crew at the airport to mark the occasion, the state governor Godwin Basaki said the direct flight into Benin City Airport from the nation's capital will provide more options for air passengers, particularly in the upcoming festive season.
You can see the aircraft is here today for the inaugural flight, and we're very glad and excited that they were able to commence operations, particularly at this season. You know, a lot of our people are in the diaspora and they like to come home for the holidays.
Air passengers applauded United Nigerian Airlines for the direct flight.
Impressed. They actually lived up to, I think the flight was for 12:15, and I checked in hours before. I think it was actually prompt compared to other airlines.
The chairman of the airlines, Obiora Okonkwo, said the direct flight to Benin will increase more competition on the route, in addition to others.
Until other governors understand the importance of this, there's no other magic to grow and increase economic activities of your people or your state. To know that we have gone to advanced stage of launching the first ever Nigerian flight to Italy.
With the introduction of the Benin-Abuja route, United Nigerians Airline now flies to a total of 9 cities: Abuja, Asaba, Awka, Umuahia, Osubi, Enugu, Owerri, Lagos, and Port Harcourt.
Enugu Air, the newest symbol of Southeastern pride, still in its preparatory phase. Enugu Air is a promising venture initiated by the Enugu state government under the leadership of Governor Peter Amba, touted as the strategic tool to boost commerce, tourism, and diaspora engagement. Enugu Air aims to bridge the southeastern Nigeria with the rest of the country and eventually international hub. It just launched recently. It is expected to operate out of the Akanibiam International Airport in Enugu with an eye on innovation and regional identity. Next Ave, Obi Jackson's aviation masterstroke. From the industrial powerhouse behind Obi Jackson Group, Next Ave is an emerging aviation brand poised to redefine business and executive travel in Nigeria. With its strong backing from Ernest Azudial OBGC, Next Ave is expected to focus on high-value charter services, logistics, and possibly oil and gas aviation support. Its development hints at elite tech-forward operation, aligning with Obi Jackson's legacy of excellence in infrastructure and energy.
VIP passenger handling, in-flight catering, crew rest areas, hotel bookings, and transportation are some of the many ways we strive to meet your needs. The operations of our state-of-the-art hangar are focused on safety and excellence, deploying the latest technology to ensure our esteemed clients travel in comfort and style. Our highly specialized team are proud of our customer-focused culture to ensure you a seamless domestic or international journey. Nestav, setting a new standard.